What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. My name is Joven and the voltage just never stops. Volt Army, if you just tuned into this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Meme Coin Daily, 1,070 subscribers. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. Now, when we say the voltage never stops, that is not just a mission statement. The Volt Army, you guys continue to push on throughout this bear market. The lead community members continue to push, continue to develop, and continue to spread the word of Volt, getting it everywhere. And Volt Toshi continues to build and develop. This is what you like to see from a project. This is why I'm always gonna cover Volt on the channel, because you guys stay building and developing no matter the market conditions. Now, always be aware, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. If we take a look at Volt on Dex Tools, you'll see it's always trending on Dex Tools constantly. I can't wait until the market turns around. Everyone is bullish again. FOMO season happens, and Volt is always, you know what I'm saying, right in the face of the new investors, especially the new investors that come to the ERC20 Uniswap space, guys. The market cap of Volt is sitting at 85 million, 85.71 million, and the holders for Volt just on Ethereum sitting at 18.21k holders, and that number just continues to grow as time progresses. Now, as you guys can see, the floor is in for Volt, guys. It looks to me like the floor is in around this range, guys, because right now we literally just re-entered an accumulation phase. You know what I'm saying? We are right back to accumulating. The chart will go sideways for a bit, and then within any new catalyst, any new bullish news, or the market happens to turn around, that's when we have huge moves to the upside. As you guys can see, we're making higher lows towards the upside, you know what I'm saying? So this is great to see for Volt in the chart, guys. The chart for Volt is always bullish because it's remaining in a certain range around that, you know, 70 million to 100 million dollar market cap, guys, and it's like a spring. You know what I'm saying? When a project just is in a accumulation phase for a long period of time, it's like a spring just coiling up, making a way for that huge expansion. And in crypto, that's gonna be a huge expansion to the upside. Now, I'm taking a look at coin market cap just so that we could see the full 24-hour trade volume of Volt, sitting just under $3 million in 24-hour trade volume. What's great about this is that Volt's trade volume is rivaling some of the biggest alt utility coins in the space, guys. Rank number 303, we moved down a bit, but Volt will definitely move up to the top 100. I have no doubts in my mind about that. As long as you guys as a community continue to build, stay based, just continue to push forward throughout this trashy market. We have a tweet from the official Volt Inu. The last 11 to 12 months have been full of catalysts, but the best is yet to come. Example, only one of the top 10 exchanges has been voted so far, and there's more that's gonna be on the way. It's only a matter of time for Volt to get listed on Bybit, on OKX, KuCoin, Kraken, Coinbase, Binance. You can't rule anything out in crypto, guys. Crypto is very unpredictable. Never think, oh, I'm just being realistic when it comes to crypto. Crypto it always shocks the world. It always shocks the world. No one thought they'd become millionaires from Doge and Shiba. No one thought that until it happened. It's officially been 1 year, the 1 year anniversary of Volt, and we've seen what has been accomplished for Volt in that 1 year. Think 2-3 years from now, what will be accomplished for Volt. The voltage just never stops. From Pablo Crow, shout out to Pablo, always showing love. Welcome Dcoin Exchange to the Volted family. That's 98 exchanges for Volt, almost at 100, man. I'm telling you guys, the tier 1 exchange is gonna happen fast. It's gonna be a cascade effect. You just have to exercise patience. You just have to exercise patience, because like I said, the community of Volt just keeps growing, right? The holders of Volt just keep growing, and when enough noise is being made, just like in the last bull cycle, when enough noise was made, SHIB and Dogecoin, for example, got listed on tier 1 exchanges. When enough noise is being made, and it's just gonna take time, you'll see those tier 1 exchanges fall like dominoes for Volt, guys. 98k followers for Dcoin exchange, very bullish. The exchanges just never stop for Volt. Almost at 100, man. That is great news. Tweet from Crypto Insights: Volt will be listed on Dcoin exchange. Dcoin is a cryptocurrency exchange which provides a platform for reliable management of your assets with a robust security system. So another listing for Volt is always great to see. It just makes it more convenient for new investors, new holders, new people to join the Volt army and get a chance at financial freedom with Volt, guys. ETCEX just listed Volt as well. 180k followers. That's bullish. That's a lot of followers. New listing. Volt will be listed on BTCEX. Man, it just never stops. The dominoes. It's a domino effect, guys. It's a snowball effect. The snowball rolling down the hill. It's just getting bigger and bigger, guys. You know what I'm saying? It's great to see for Volt, man. I remain bullish on this project. There's no debating it, guys. There's no way to go around it. Volt is the top G of the crypto space. We have a tweet from Crypto Gem, someone I follow. 47k followers, huge account. A lot of people follow Crypto Gems. He's made a lot of people a lot of money in the previous cycles. Some gems for the next bull run. Number 1, Volt Inu. Number 1, Volt Inu, no doubt in my mind. Great list. Number 1, Volt Inu. That's all we need to see, right? SHIB rumors. Volt is going to make investors rich. This is great to see because SHIB rumors, 81k followers, one of the top accounts, top Shiba Inu accounts, because there's a lot of top accounts with a lot of followers that are Shiba investors, and a lot of them are bullish on Volt, and that only drives more traffic to Volt. The Shiba whales, the sheep holders, they're gonna take interest in Volt, and they're gonna get their hands on some Volt. They already started, and it's just gonna keep happening as time goes on. Domino effect, guys. Snowball effect. From KingOzzy.eth, Volt holders are voting on a daily in a bear market. Imagine in a bull run. 18k on ERC20, 37k on Binance Smart Chain, 56k holders, not including centralized exchanges. 22 plus millionaires minted in 2022. Probably nothing. And then we have the images right here of the holders, and the amount just keeps growing. The community just keeps growing. It just keeps spreading. The voltage never stops. And we have a nice Volt Inu cover for the whip. Man is vaulting the whip, and that is bullish to see. That is super fire, man. That is electrifying stuff right there. I love what I see, guys. This is so great. I see everybody getting their hands on a Tezzy. Jake and Rodney say they like Tezzies. Imagine vaulting your Tezzy, you know what I'm saying? Could be a plan for the future, guys. I'm telling you, you can't be Volt for transparency, utility, development, community, or gains in a 1-year bear market since launch. 1 year anniversary for Volt, and you know, the development just never stopped. How could you not be bullish on that? You know, it just keeps going. You guys just keep building. You guys just keep developing, getting new and new, getting more new people into the community, into the Volt army. Top content creators talking about Volt constantly. You just can't ignore it, right? You just can't ignore the movement that's happening. And like I said, when we are bullish, when the market, overall market is bullish, we are, you know, getting bull market ready. Just think about when there's all these new people coming into the space and they see these content creators making videos on Volt. It's gonna pique their interest, and they're gonna take a chance on Volt because they know they'll see it. They'll see, you know, the appeal, the hype, and they'll be like, nah, this ain't no fake hype, this is real. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, keep it up, man. Just keep it up. It's actually impressive what you guys as the Volt community, the Volt army, are accomplishing. Use voltchange.net deflationary dex today to buy and burn all your tokens, and make sure Volt is in your portfolio. How it started: 0 exchanges December 21, 2021. How it's going: 99 exchanges December 2022. Tweet from StealthX.io, 30.7k followers. I was super hyped when StealthX listed one of the altcoins that I liked, you know what I'm saying? And as we could see from this image, it just added Volt to the list, guys, to one of their assets. Volt will just continue to grow. You cannot stop the voltage from taking over. Volt Army, thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. And if this is your first time hearing about Volt, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section. Let's have a discussion in the comments. Everything Volt and myself will be down in the description. And I thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.